Hello my dear students, today we will learn nature of roots of a quadratic equation part 2. Exercise 4a, page 111, Ambush Maths book class 10 or Modern's ABC of Mathematics book. See question number 2, find the discriminant of a quadratic equation and hence find the nature of its roots. Find the discriminant of a quadratic equation. So first we have to remember the formula for discriminant. Formula for discriminant is equal what? D is equal b square minus 4ac. Recall the formula. So to calculate discriminant we have to know the values of a, b and c. Let us find the values of a, b, c from the equation. See question number 1. Question 2, 2x square minus 16x plus 30 equals 0. Coefficient of x square is a. So we can write a is equal 2. Coefficient of x is b. It is minus 16. And the constant term, that means which has no x, that is c, 30. So we find the discriminant. Therefore discriminant is equal, discriminant shortly we write d. Formula is b square minus 4ac. Put the values of a, b, c in the formula. B is minus 16 whole square, minus 4, write the value of a 2, write the value of c 30, and now multiply. Minus 16 whole square is 256. Minus 16 into minus 16, it will be plus 256. Minus 4 into 2, 8 into 30, 240. So subtract 256 minus 240, it will be 16. The 16, 256 is plus, so 16 will be plus. The bigger number plus, here is plus. So 16 is greater than 0. Remember, if d is greater than 0, roots are what? Real and distinct. Real and distinct. Distinct. So remember this. So we can write here. So we get this d is greater than 0. So roots are what? Roots of this equation. Roots are real and distinct. That is the question. Real and distinct. That is the answer of the sum. The question asks, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation and hence find the nature of its roots. So nature of the roots are what? Real and distinct. Coming to next question number 2. So let us find the value of a. Coefficient of x square is 1 here. A is 1. And b is coefficient of x, it is 8. And c is the constant which has no x, that is 16. So we write the formula for discriminant, b square minus 4ac. So put the values of a, b, c. B is 8, right here 8 whole square minus 4. A value is 1 and c value is 16 is equal 8 whole square is 64. 8 into 8 minus 4 into 1, 4 into 16 is 64. So 64 minus 64 is what? 0. Remember, if d is equal 0, so nature of the roots are what? Real and equal. Real and equal. So we can write here, therefore roots of this equation, roots are real and equal. Roots of this equation are real and equal. That is answer of the sum. And look at question number 3. So let us find the discriminant direct. D is equal B square minus 4AC. So we know now what are A, B, C. A is the coefficient of x squared 3 by 5, B is coefficient of x minus 2 by 3, and C is 1. So let us put the values direct. What is B? Coefficient of x minus 2 by 3, right here minus 2 by 3, B square will be minus 2 by 3 whole square, minus 4, A is 3 by 5, coefficient of x square 3 by 5, then C value is only 1. So continue here, minus 2 by 3 whole square means minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, it will be 4 by 9. Minus 2 whole square is 4 and 3 whole square is 9. Minus 4 into 3, 12 into 1, 12. Numerator will be 12 and the denominator is 5 only. This is 12 by 5. So subtract this part. LCM of 9 and 5 we can take 45. LCM of 9 and 5 is 45. So divide 45 by 9. It is 5. Multiply here. It is 20. Minus 45 divided by 5 is 9. Multiply here. 9 into 12 is 108. So subtracting we get minus 88 by 45. So because of this minus, this is less than 0. So because of the presence of minus, all the minus number are less than 0. So we recall again, if D less than 0, roots are not real. So this equation has no real roots. So we can write therefore the equation has no real roots. So we can say roots are not real. Roots are not real. Look at, that is the answer of the sum. So look at question number 3. Which of the equation has both roots real? Which of the equation has both roots real? So both root real, that means its discriminant should be 0. If it is, if we find after calculating the discriminant, if we get discriminant equal 0, then this equation has both roots equal. So let us find the discriminant. D formula is B square minus 4AC. D is B square minus 4AC is equal, see what is the value of D? Minus 12. Minus 12 whole square minus 4. What is A? A is 9 and C is 4. So we multiply minus 12 whole square, minus 12 into minus 12 is 144, minus 4 into 9, 36 into 4, that also 144. So 144 minus 144, 144 minus 144 is 0. It means discriminant equal 0. So look here, if D equals 0, the roots are real and equal. Here the question is, which equation has both roots equal? So here D is 0, that means this equation has both roots equal. So we can write therefore the equation has both roots equal. Both roots equal. Both roots equal, that is the answer. Next we will do question number 2, question 3 sub number 2. Question number 3(2). 9x square minus 6x plus 4 equal 0. Let us find the discriminant. So D is equal B square minus 4AC is equal, so what are A, B, C? A is 9, coefficient of x square, B is minus 6, coefficient of x, and C is 4, the constant term. So put the value of B here. It is minus 6 whole square, B square, minus 4, A is coefficient of x square 9 and C is 4, is equal minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6, it is plus 36, minus 4 into 9, 36, and then 4 into 9, 36 into 4, it is 144. 36 minus 144, 36 minus 144, it is minus 108. Minus 108. Minus 108 is less than 0. All negative numbers are less than 0. So this equation has no real roots. The question is whether this equation has both roots are real. So here both roots are not real. So we can say its both roots are not equal. The question asks whether they are equal or not. Both roots are not equal. Actually it has no real roots. Actually no real roots because D is less than 0. No real roots. Next is question number 3. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal 0. So get D is equal b square minus 4ac is equal, what is b? Minus 2 root 6 coefficient of x. So b square will be minus 2 root 6 whole square minus 4. What is a? A is the coefficient of x square, it is 3. And what is c? C is 2. So we multiply here, minus 2 whole square will be plus 4 into root 6 whole square is only 6. We can write like this, minus 2 whole square is 4, root 6 whole square is root 6 into root 6 only 6. Minus 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24. Next line, 4 into 6 is 24 minus 24. So what we get? 24 minus 24 is 0. So we see discriminant equals 0. So when discriminant equals 0, the equation has both roots real. So we can write the equation has both roots real. Has both roots real because D equal 0. Both roots real. The reason is D equal 0. Next is question number 1. Find the value of k for which the equation has real and equal roots. We have to find the value of k from this equation. And given the equation has real and equal roots. So we know the condition for real and equal roots. If the discriminant of an equation is equal 0, the equation has real and equal roots. So let us write the condition. We can write here for real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. So what is the condition? D must be is equal 0. So what is the formula for D? Let us write b square minus 4ac is equal 0. b square minus 4ac is equal 0. Then calculate b square minus 4ac. Let us calculate b square minus 4ac. So here is, what is b? It is minus 5 whole square minus 4. What is A? It is 3. And what is C? It is 2k. 2k is equal 0. Or minus 5 whole square is minus 5 into minus 5. It is plus 25 minus 4 into 3, 12 into 2. 24k is equal 0. Or we can write, we have to find value of k from here. So keeping this minus 24k left side and taking the number right side, plus 25 take to right side, it will be minus 25, and we can cancel this minus and minus from both sides. Then we can find the value of k. K is equal, divide 25 by 24. Divide 25 by 24, and that is the value of k. The question is find the value of k. So k is 25 by 24. And here is one more question, question number 4. 9x square minus kx plus 81 equals 0. So the same condition, find the value of k for which the equation has real and equal roots. So we can write for real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. What is the condition? D must be 0. D must be equal to 0. And write the value, formula for D, b square minus 4ac is equal 0. So let us calculate this b square minus 4ac. So put the value of b. B is coefficient of x minus k. It is minus k whole square minus 4. Write the value of a here. Coefficient of x square, it is 9. And value of c is 81. The constant term here is in bracket is equal 0. Or minus k whole square multiply, it is plus k square minus 4 into 9. 36. 4 into 9 is 36, and then 36 multiplied by 81, it will be 2916. So first you multiply 4 by 9, it will be 36. 36 into 81, it will be 2916 is equal 0. Next is to find k square, to find the value of k, take this number right side. Minus 296 will be plus 2916. Take it right side. Then from here to find the value of k, we can do it like this. K is equal plus minus square root 2916. Plus minus square root 2916. Plus minus square root 2916. Therefore k is equal plus minus square root of 2916 is let us do here square root of 2916. Let us do the square root by the division method. From right side take one pair, 16. And then 29 is another pair. And now here is, if we take here 5 multiply by 5 into 5, it will be 25, and then subtract here 4, bring that pair 16, and then make this 5 double here, it is 10, and right side of 10 choose a number, so that if we multiply this whole number by that number, we get 416. So if I take here 4 multiply by 4, so 4 into 4 it will be 16, 6 carry 1, 4 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 4 into 1 is 4. So 416, if we subtract, remainder is 0. This 4 is here, this 4 is here. So this one cancel. So square root of 2916 is 54. 54. So the value of k is equal plus minus 54. That means value of k, there are two values, plus 54 and minus 54. We can write as k equal plus minus 54. That is the answer of the sum, and this is the square root, how to finding the square root. Okay, thank you my dear students for today. We will meet in the next lesson. Thank you.